In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for cold outreach. We'll walk through a simple but powerful workflow to send cold emails directly from Pipedrive, using templates and multiple recipients so you can save time while staying organized. First, once you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at your main dashboard, head over to your inbox inside Pipedrive. To do that, click on the Mail icon. You'll usually find this at the top of the screen. This is where all your email activity is centralized, so you don't have to jump back and forth between tools. Next, we're going to start a new message. In the Mail section, click on New Mail. This opens up a fresh email editor, similar to what you might see in any regular email client, but fully connected to your Pipedrive contacts and deals. Now it's time to choose who you're reaching out to. In the To field, click on Add Recipients. Here you can start typing the names or email addresses of your prospects. Pipedrive will pull from your existing contacts, so as you type, you should see suggestions appear. Select the prospects you want to include. For cold outreach, it's a good idea to keep each batch of recipients targeted, such as people in the same industry or stage in your pipeline, so your message feels more relevant. Once your recipients are added, instead of writing every email from scratch, you can speed things up by using a pre-built message. Look for the option to select an email template. Choose a template that's designed specifically for cold outreach or initial contact. A good cold outreach template will usually include a short introduction, a clear value proposition, and a simple call to action, like booking a meeting or replying with a quick answer. Before you send anything, take a moment to scan through the email. Even though it's a template, you may want to customize a line or two so it feels personal and not generic. Check that names are correct and that the message still makes sense for this particular group of prospects. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Send All. Pipedrive will send the email to each of the selected recipients, and those messages will be tracked inside the system. That means you'll be able to see replies, opens, and follow-ups right from your Pipedrive account. And that's the basic workflow for using Pipedrive for cold outreach. Open mail, create a new email, add your prospects, choose a template, personalize if needed, and send all.